So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called GetUpside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas. All you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called GetUpside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. There is a new scam that is happening left and right for Uber drivers. If you are an Uber driver, you need to beware of this new scam because a lot of passengers are using it, and the repercussions are deactivations and low ratings for drivers. So if you're an Uber driver and you don't want to get a 1-star and you don't want to get deactivated, need to watch this video because yeah. If you have been deactivated by either Uber or Lyft, there is now a company that is dedicated to helping you get your account back through a legal, through a lawyer that will contact Uber or Lyft on your behalf. The company is called Cover, K-O-V-E-R. You can sign up. If you use my link, free 30-day trial. You will get immediate access to that if you want to get your account back. So essentially it's free, and then it's only starting at $7 a month. So it's really cheap, but anyways, definitely look into that if you want to get your account back. It's a brand new company. I just feel like I need to mention that in these videos, just so you guys can get access to that. But the scam is, it has to do with this. So if you guys know, there is a new policy that Uber launched called no mask, no ride. So every single passenger that gets in your car needs to be wearing a mask or a face covering. So it could literally be a shirt wrapped around their face, which, whatever. Probably not the cleanliest of options because probably they're not clean shirts, but whatever. It's still technically allowed. So, but one of the options now on the Uber Rider app, when you request a ride, is to say that your driver wasn't wearing a mask. If your driver wasn't wearing a mask, you can cancel the ride or even report the driver and get a free ride or get ride credit for your next ride. And a lot of passengers, you know, put that. And if the driver wasn't wearing a mask, by all means, the passenger's in the right, you know? Even if, you know, you don't believe in wearing a mask, whatever, you still need to technically wear a mask when you're driving. So if you're not wearing a mask and you're driving Uber, you're probably going to get deactivated very, very quickly because people are going to be quick to report you. But even if you are wearing a mask, there's some shady people out there. There's bad people in the world. There's people who shoplift. There's people who, you know, steal. There's people who cheat on their girlfriends, on their boyfriends. People who lie. People who do bad things. People who, you know, try to cheat the system. There's always going to be those people. So if, you know, I guess if they're a smart bad person, they're going to use this new way. They're going to say their driver wasn't wearing a mask, and most likely Uber is going to give them a free ride. Let's say they got a ride to the airport. It was $50, and they go, oh shoot, you know what? I didn't really want to spend that $50. What are they going to do? They're going to lie and say that their driver wasn't wearing a mask. So if the driver wasn't wearing a mask, they're probably, or if the driver was wearing a mask though, there's really no way for Uber to prove that the driver wasn't wearing a mask because, you know, there's no universal dash cam. There's no, I mean, yes, Uber requires drivers to take a selfie during the, like, at the start of your shift, but like, you know, the driver could potentially take the mask off. So honestly, I would I don't even know like how to prevent this. The only way is if you get reported for that, call up Uber immediately. Now Uber support has limited hours. They're only available to talk like Monday through Friday. I tried calling the other day on like a Saturday and they didn't even answer my call because I was trying to sign up for Uber Eats. And for some reason, when I go into that setting on my app, there's no Uber Eats button to click on. So I need to ask them to, you know, add that feature so I can do Uber Eats, because I'm not doing Uber too much right now. I just did Uber the other day. Didn't really like it very much. Wore a mask the whole time. I have asthma, hard to breathe, whatever. So I just want to warn you guys, like, this is going on. So just so if this happens, you guys know. And again, if you do get deactivated by Uber for this or Lyft, you can contact, or you can sign up for Cover and get the lawyer to contact Uber or Lyft on your behalf and say, look, you know, my client was wearing a mask. You know, he told me he was wearing a mask. If it was a false report, and you can try to get your account back through a lawyer. Much better than contacting Uber support if you've already been deactivated. But anyways, I just want to warn you guys about this new scam because it is not good at all. It's just not good. Thank you for watching. Stay safe out there. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye, guys.